Ever been on a shopping spree and suddenly faced with a deal that seems too good to be true? Like this box of 8 packs of gum for rupees 18. But wait, individual packs cost just 2.5 rupees each. Is the box really a better deal? And then there's that post-dinner friend hangout. You all had a blast. But now comes the not so fun part, splitting the bill. How much does everyone owe? These are some of the situations where mental mathematics come in handy. Don't worry, you don't need to have a calculator to be an expert in everyday finances. In this video, I'll take you through the addition and subtraction without using pen and paper. In this digital age where attention span is shrinking, the ability to concentrate is a precious commodity. And that's where mental mathematics come into the picture. I've often seen students underestimating the importance of basic calculation skills in exams, and yet it is a cornerstone of success. Mental mathematics is just not about numbers anymore. It is about adaptability, mental agility, and confidence. It is the building block of basic problem-solving skills. Unlike regular maths, which engages the left side of the brain, mental math activates the right side, which is responsible for imagination, visualization, and creativity. So before we solve questions on addition and subtraction, remember some of these pointers. When we do questions mentally, our brain is comfortable solving questions from left to right. Treat it like playing levels in a game. Start with the basic level and then graduate to higher levels. When you start, your speed will be slow. Don't lose patience. You will get speed only through practice. So let's start with some questions on addition. And so 45 plus 3. Now 5 plus 3 is 8. So you easily get your answer as 48. Now let's move on with carry forwards. So 64 plus 7. So 4 plus 7 is 11. Hence, you get the carry forward. So your 64 will become 71. Remember, we are doing this orally, which has to be done from left to right. Let's try another question. 87 plus 8. Now 8, because of the carry forward of 7 plus 8, 15. Your 8 will become 95. Right? Let's try another one. 72 plus 24. So the first step would be 72 plus 20, which gives you 92. Then 92 plus 4 gives you 96. Let's try another one. 57 plus 62. So the first step would be 57 plus 60, which you can easily do it and get the answer as 117. Then 117 plus 2 would be 119. Easy, right? You can keep this easily in your memory. Let's try another one. 48 plus 57. So you start with 48 plus 50, which is 98. Then 98 plus 7, right? You get 105. Another one. 84 plus 77. So you start with 84 plus 70, which is 154. Then 154 plus 7 gives you 161. I hope you're able to do this mentally. Moving on to 3-digit, right? So in this case, 324 plus 156, we'll do it in 3 steps, like 324 plus 100, then you add 50, then you add 6. So let's start. So 324 plus 100, I hope you can easily get the answer as 424. Now 424 plus 50 will give you 474. 474 plus 6 will give you 480. Cool? Why don't you try this question? 577 plus 389. Yes, you could have done in 3 steps, which will start with 300, then 80, then 9. But I'm sure you would be like, why don't we add an easy number, which is 400? So 577 plus 400 gives you 977. Now remember, you have added 11, so you need to subtract 11. So 977 minus 11 gives you 966. So now let's try subtraction. 83 minus 51. So you can do this in two steps. First is 83 minus 50, which you easily get it as 33. Then 33 minus 1 gives you 32, right? Now similarly, try this question. 73 minus 29. I'm sure you would start with 73 minus 30, which you easily get it as 43. Then 43 plus 1 gives you 44. So why don't you try this one? 82 minus 38. So the first step is, of course, 82 minus 40, which gives you 42. Then 42 plus 2, which gives you 44. So let's move on to next one, which is 131 minus 67. Again, here you would prefer 131 minus 70, which gives you 61. Then 61 plus 3, which gives you 64. Easy. So let's move to 3-digit with 3-digit. Think you are getting a hang of it. 747 minus 325. So here we'll start with 747 minus 300, which gives you 447. So 447 minus 25. You can do it in two steps or in one step. So 447 minus 25 gives you 422. Try this. 946 minus 517. So the first step is 946 minus 500, which gives you a 446. Then 446 minus 17. Now, I don't like a minus 17. So I'll prefer 446 minus 20. So 446 minus 20, I can easily get it as 426. So once you get 426, add that 3, which is 426 plus 3 is 429. So if you see here, it's better with the complements. So let's go through the complement. Get very comfortable with the complement. So if I ask you what number should you add to 83 to get 100? So just start from left to right again. So 8 plus which number gives you 9, and 7 plus 3 plus which number gives you 10. So for example, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 3 plus 7 is 10. So your answer is 17. So try this. 69. So 6 plus 3 gives you 9. So your answer will be 3, 1, 31. 56 plus which number gives you 100? 5 plus 4 gives you 9 and 6 plus 4. So your answer is 44. 47. So 4 plus 5 gives you 9 and 7 plus 3. So your answer is 53. Right? So let's try more subtraction question. 936 minus 567. Now here you will straight away go to 936 minus 600, which gives you a very easy 336. There is no effort at all. 936 minus 600, you straight away get 336. Now remember the complement. So 336 plus 33. So 336 plus 33 gives you 369. So here this has to be practiced. Let's try one more number. 721 minus 376. So first step would be 721 minus 400, which gives you a very easy 321. Once you get 321, you have to add 24. So that is easy. 321 plus 24 gives you 345. Right. With a complement, even the subtraction becomes easier. In fact, with sufficient practice, you would prefer this over calculator. 534 minus 256. Again, let's try complement. 534 minus 300. So straight away you get that 234. No effort. Now 234, after that you can add the complement, which is 44. So 234 plus 44 gives you 278. Right. Imagine you went for shopping and you had a coupon worth rupees 10,000. You bought a shoe for rupees 4,678. So how much money is left to spend? Yes, Using the complements, you easily get 5,322. So, what are the benefits of mental mathematics? Enhanced learning ability. Practicing mental math stimulates your brain. It's like a workout for your mind. Observation skills. Mental math sharpens your ability to observe patterns and relationship between numbers. You will start noticing mathematical connections in everyday situations. Mental maths relies on memory. You retrieve maths facts and concepts from long-term memory and helps in overall cognitive function. In competitive exams, it helps with speed and efficiency, especially when you have a time limit for solving questions. As you become better in mental maths, your confidence grows. Solving problems without external aid also boosts self-esteem. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. The next video on mental maths will be on multiplication. So stay tuned.